Tasty Kerala Special Rasam Recipe. We just need only 15 minutes to make this special recipe. Usually served along with rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Then add 3 red chillies cut into halves, 10 pounded shallots, 10 pounded garlics, 1.5 inch size pounded ginger. Now change to medium flame. Cook on medium flame until the shallots turn to light golden color. When it changes to light golden color, keep it low flame and then we can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon crushed pepper. Mix it well for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, add 1 sliced tomato, 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Also add 1 cup of tamarind water. We have soaked and dissolved small lemon-sized tamarind in 1 cup of hot water and filtered. Also add 2.5 cup of water, 1 teaspoon Asafoetida powder, 2 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook on high flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, change to medium flame. Cook on medium flame for 6 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 6 minutes, add some coriander leaves. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Now, switch off the flame. Our tasty Kerala Special Rasam recipe is ready.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.